Welcome! In this video, we will discuss how to add restaurant. Means, once you go to the Layout-2 based system, then here, upon clicking on Search Restaurant button, you will get restaurant information. To add all this restaurant information, you have to log in into Layout-2 based system through the admin credentials. And this button will appear. Then after, on step 3, it is mentioned Add Restaurant. Once you click, the window will pop up, and here the system is asking few more information. In this video, we will discuss on respective fields one by one, but before that, let's discuss why we have mentioned here optional. So let's go back to this diagram. In usual cases, there are two types of product source. One product might come in from restaurant-based system. Another product might come in from non-restaurant-based system. That means, let's assume a housewife is selling a burger and a pizza slice and a cup of coffee. So these three products a housewife is selling on Layout-2 platform. She's operating her business from home. So, in that case, she doesn't have professional business appearance. At the same time, let's assume there are other products. So these two products are coming from restaurant. Step 3, add restaurant, is only for the type 1 category. If your product is falling into the type 2 category, then please do not go through the step 3. So you can skip it. Our system supports both types. Let's assume you have taken Layout 2 and you are selling few products from restaurant and few products from home. No problem, you can go with all these kinds of variations. But this home-based system means type 2. You cannot add restaurant here because technically there is no restaurant, there is no business appearance. Okay. And now let's click on that. The moment you will click on, the window will pop up and the system is asking restaurant name. But here, there is a precaution mentioned. Restaurant name on Add Restaurant window must match with restaurant name on Add Product window. To explain more clearly, I have opened two pages. One is here and one is here. Layout 2. If you get confused, then please look at the domain where I'm actually. And once you click on step 2, add food, you added few products, and here restaurant name is Villa. Once you go through the step 3, that means this is step 3, then this Villa must match here. So you must write without any space, without any commas, it should exactly match. Then after restaurant license number. Means the system is asking about the restaurant license number. It is here. Usually looks like this. If your restaurant has license number, please mention it here. If you don't have, you can also press 0. Then after special offer on an occasion. The system is asking special offers, like special discount for Valentine's Day. This is implemented for a particular restaurant and you can mention any special offer if you have it. The rule is that you go to the editor, put your special offer here. Just to save some time, I have copied it and I am pasting it here. Generate HTML and paste your HTML here. Great. Is it exclusive? The system is asking whether your restaurant is exclusive for you. That means this sign. So this restaurant has this sign, but this restaurant doesn't. So if restaurant is an exclusive category, then please say yes. I'm taking print screen to show you. There are two options available, yes and no. And I'm going to select yes. Then after restaurant configuration means restaurant address. Definitely restaurant has some address. Please put your real address here. Location means the system is asking for Google location. Go to the Google map, put your restaurant address here. It will be pointed somewhere. Then click on copy link and paste it here. Then after restaurant mobile number, here you can also see drop down. I have taken the print screen, and in this drop down there are two options available, yes and no. Means, do you want to share this address to the end user? If you want to share, then put yes. If you don't want to share, then no. This is applicable for address, location, and phone number. Here I'm going to add no, Google location, I'm going to put yes. Then after cuisine. Again, the system is asking about the cuisine, which is here. Okay. Again, go here through HTML editor. You can make some kind of fancy structure and then generate HTML, copy the entire HTML and place it here. The same thing with average cost for 2 person. The system is asking for this information. To save some time, I'm just copying this information and again I'm putting it here. Generate HTML. If you don't like these things, just delete it, or you can manipulate the text as you want. But the system is asking about the HTML. Copy it and paste it here. Opening hours. The system is asking about this opening hours, this information. Again, go to the editor. You can make some kind of fancy things like let it be bold. And then after copy it and paste it here. Okay. Now more about restaurant. The system is asking about all this information. So again, the rule is come back to the editor. I have to paste it here. Generate HTML. You can also add a few images, as we have discussed earlier. And here you go. Then after best food. The system is asking about the best food. So you can write anything here the way you want it. Again, go to the editor and copy the HTML code and paste it here. News and events. If you have news or events, good. If you don't have it, then press 0. Okay, now restaurant picture upload. The system is asking about all these pictures. Go to your Cloudinary, to your images, and then after copy the image URL and paste it. I have uploaded all the images earlier, so I have just copied the URL and I am pasting it here. To save some time, I am pasting the same URL everywhere. Okay. If you don't have the image, you can also press 0. The same thing will happen when you upload. So this is the menu, and on Cloudinary I have also uploaded the menus. I'm copying the URL and I'm pasting it here. That's all. Let's assume you have only 6 menus. Then on rest you can place 0. This 0 rule will implement everywhere in all layouts. Bingo! Now restaurant got edit. Great. Go to the home page and see. Your restaurant got edit with all this information. you can see. Here we have mentioned yes to the Google location, so Google location is available to the end user, and the rest information is not available. Then we have restaurant menu and restaurant pictures. You can click on the restaurant picture and you will see the enlarged picture. That's all for this video. If you have any further questions, then put your question in the YouTube comment box, and definitely we will get back to you with the right answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.